So as far as writing the body of the letter, that's totally up to you because, like I said, I don't know what you want to write. What I can tell you is what I did write. So what I did here was I just basically started typing here and I just wrote a sentence. But what I am going to do is I'm going to do like what I normally do is I merge and I wrap the text. So you can watch me do that and that'll maybe give you some help as to how you want to design yours. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to go all the way to the end and then I'm going to merge and I'm going to keep it right here for right now. Go to the next one, do the same thing, merge, highlight them all, merge. Okay. So now here, this one is very lengthy. So I'm going to go all the way to the end, right there. And what I really, let me move my Screencastify tools here. That would help. So what I want to do with this one is I want to just merge it to maybe about there. And then I want to wrap the text. Okay. Now you see what it does. It doesn't move it nicely, so you're going to have to move it. So if you see this, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to adjust the row. And see what happens here. Once you adjust the row, you can see the entire sentence and decide if this is really the way that you want it to look. But I think I'm going to, let's see what happens when I align it to the left. That looks more like I'd like it to look. So I'm going to follow the same procedure here. I'm going to go all the way to L, merge, wrap my text, open up my row. Now remember, you know you're opening up your row when you get these double-sided white arrows. Then I'm going to go over here to my alignment and I'm going to align it to the left. So I like the way that that looks. So I'm going to come down here for the rest of them and just do the merging. But this one, I'm going to left align that one. Here, merge. I'm going to keep that adjusted to where it is. Okay, this one here, I'm going to have to just pull this just a hair. There we go. Okay, so this one here. Okay, so I don't like the way that they're not aligned, so I'm going to take him and move him to the left. And now they will be. So take that, merge, left align. Oh, that doesn't look like it's left aligned. There we go. I'm going to highlight all of these, merge, left align. And then here, merge. I'm going to keep that right there just for now. Just for now. I want to see what happens when I go to print it. I want to see what it looks like. And then we'll see what happens. So I can tell you right now, I don't like the way my name is not aligned with the science department and everything else. So let's see how this is going to work out. All right. Oh, let's see. There we go. I'll just left align that and then they'll be perfectly underneath each other. Now the big deal is doing the printing. So you're going to go to File, Print. Make sure the orientation is portrait. And I'm actually happy with the way that it looks. So I'm going to keep it like this. Now, grid lines. Okay, don't want them because you want this to look like a letter. So you're going to go to View, uncheck the grid lines. Now, So remember, I only do this for students that are delinquent in their lab minutes. So this one here is going to be for Benjamin. So I'm going to right click on here, rename, and this is now going to say Ben. Take my caps lock off. There we go, Ben. Okay, so now remember what you're going to do. So this was your direction sheet, I believe. No, just an extra sheet. Okay. So what you're going to do here is you're going to duplicate Ben. So you're going to right click, duplicate. And then you're going to change it to whoever the next student is. So you're going to come over here into your cell, click the drop down menu, and let's just say it's Joanne. Okay. Right click, rename. Done. I'm going to take this sheet and I'm going to move that here. Then we're going to duplicate again. And then let's say that this is going to be Michael. Right click, rename, Michael. So I think you get the gist of it. So now when you want to print all three of these at one time, it's very easy. You're just going to go to File, Print, and print. Now, I'm not hooked up to my school printer, and I don't have a printer at home. So what I'm going to do is just show you what it's technically going to look like. So let me move my little screencastify here, I think. Okay. So when you go to File and you go to print this, you want to print where it says here, page setup. You want to print the entire workbook. So you're going to see there's that first page, that sheet 2 that I was telling you about, because that's just your class roster. So when you go to this print, it's already getting ready to print 4 pages. So what you could do is, remember, this destination is really going to say whatever your printer is that you're printing it to. But for right now, mine's just saving PDF. So you can just go custom and say, hey, you know, I only want to print pages 2 to 4. So it'll start right on this page, and just make sure you're not doing this double-sided. And then what it will do is it'll print each page one right after another. And you can get these letters out pretty fast, like in about 3 minutes or less, depending on how many kids you have.